Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Vmware tools inside the guest. This provides shared folder drivers and integration. Once done, power down if recommended and confirm the host path you plan to share. Make sure you have host file system permissions. Next, open the VM settings from the host app and prepare to add a shared folder. This step kicks off the shared folder link. Doing it now avoids permission and driver issues later and ensures the guest can mount the resource once enabled. From the VM settings, go to Options, then Shared Folders, and click Add to create the mapped share. When adding, pick the host path and assign a clear share name you will reference inside the guest. Set read-only only if you must prevent writes. Once added, choose Always Enabled for persistent access or Enabled until next power off for temporary use. After saving, power on the VM and verify Vmware tools is running so the shared folder driver can expose the share to the guest OS. Power on and mount the share inside the guest. In Windows, open File Explorer and browse to /VMware host /shared folders or assign a drive letter. In Linux, use /mnt/hgfs or run vmhgfs views with the share name. Verify read/write behaves as expected. If the share does not appear, restart the Vmware Tools service in the guest, then toggle the shared folder option off and back on in VM settings. Make sure folder permissions on the host allow the Vmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.